A pleasant day to everyone. This is Crystal A. Barbasa. Now I'm going to discuss different types or different operating system as well as application software. So first, let me discuss what is operating system. So operating system is a program that oversees the processes on a computer. So all desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices have an operating system. So this operating system coordinates the operations necessary to make the device run. So it also ensures the applications and software function without interfering with one another. Again, an operating system is the program that, after being initially loaded into the computer, a boot program manages all of the other applications, programs in the computer. So, meaning to say, this operating system manages the computer's memory and processes as well as of its software and hardware. So this allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language, since this help you to first manage the computer's resources such as the central processing unit, memory, disk drives, and printers that is often observed in the computer or in a mobile device, laptop, or desktop. Second, it establishes a user interface. And lastly, this operating system executes and provides service for applications software. So, to further understand what this operation system is all about, we will discuss different operating system. So the first one is the standalone operating system. So the standalone system is a application or software that does not need to be bundled with another software or applications, nor does it require anything else to function. So in other words, this operating system can stand on its own without help from the internet or other processes computer. So a standalone system can also refer to computer programs that can work offline. So this means it does not require a connection or network connection to operate. Also, this separate software is not an addition to an existing process. So, the standalone basically refers to a system or device that can operate independently without external connections or dependencies. So, this can perform its intended functions without relying on other devices or networks. So, the concrete examples of standalone operating system are the Microsoft Windows and the Mac operating system, since this too enables a single user to control and acquire services from the device simultaneously. Second is the embedded operating system. So how does it work and what it was used for? So embedded operating system is a specialized operating system. So if standalone can perform on its own, embedded operating system requires or interconnected to a machine to operate. So this embedded operating system is a specialized operating system designed to perform a specific task for a device that is not a computer. So, an embedded operating system often works within an embedded system, and this embedded system is a computer that supports a machine, as what I've said earlier. So, example includes computer system in cars such as Waze, Google Maps. traffic lights, digital televisions, ATMs, whether you deposit or withdraw money. You can see operating system or software in the machines. Airplane control, of course, that is also under the machine. Uh, Point of sale terminals, especially the digital cameras, you can affiliate it with the machines or the machineries, as well as the navigation system, such as GPS, to know where you want to locate, where you want to go. Elevators as well, and smart meters. So, how does an embedded operating system work? So, embedded operating system enables an, of course, embedded device to do its job within a larger system. Since it communicates with the hardware of the embedded system rather, to perform specific function. Like for example, an elevator might contain a microprocessor or microcontroller that you will often see in a mall, elevators in a mall, condos, elevator, and others in the like. And this lets understand which buttons the passenger is pressing. So this embedded some software that runs in the system is what we call the embedded operating system. Lastly, the emerging operating software that revolutionizes the computer programs and current trends that the digital world has right now. So it's widely recognized that the iPhone revolutionized the smartphone market and was instrumental in ushering a new era in mobile computing. As iPhones and iPods proliferated, Apple's iOS rapidly became the basis for a significant share of online activity, especially if we're talking about the good quality and a good command of a device. We will definitely look for iOS. So, together with Android, these mobile operating systems have, in a very short period of time, become essential to our digital experience. So, these new generation computing devices require new types of operating system and networks. For instance, Wi-Fi connections consume too much power for devices like watches or thermostats, which are not connected to mains power and which cannot incorporate long life batteries. That's why we often hear mocking Android users, the iOS users, that they often have a low battery because of these things. So, furthermore, most home routers will not be able to accommodate the large number of devices that are implied by a fully automated home. So, the power consumption profile has insufficient range coverage for most homes. So basically, this narrative found out that the current trends in operating system include cloud operating system. Of course, this will be familiar for all of you, the AI powered operating system, as well as the hybrid operating system. If you're wondering what hybrid operating system is, this is the combined elements from different architectures to achieve better performance, flexibility, reliability, or security. So, after discussing what operating system is all about, let me discuss the application software. So, the application software or the application program basically means that the program designed to carry out a specific task other than one relating to the operation of the computer itself. So, typically to be used by end users. So, word processors, media players, and accounting software are the concrete examples of this application software. This also means or this also responds to users' input and helps them perform personal, professional, and educational tasks. So meaning to say, this software often important because it allows you to perform activities that expresses your creativity. This also fulfill your productivity and improve your communication with others. So that is what shaped the students. It is important for the teaching and learning process for you to utilize technology with ethical and security awareness, and also to share fruitful learning to other people, not just use it. Rather, use this with security and, of course, with uh, dissemination of knowledge. So the sole purpose of this application software is to at least aid the user in doing specified tasks. So web browsers like Firefox and Google Chrome, as well as Microsoft Word and Excel, are the best examples of application software that is used on a personal computer or laptop. So that's it for the discussion of different operating system and application software. Thank you for listening. I hope you get something from me. Again, thank you.